Hey everyone, what's up? My name is YONAS. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hopefully you guys had a wonderful holiday and spent time with your family members and or your relatives, whoever you guys live with. Start up in New Year. I wanted to continue that YouTube series that we started. This is episode 2, and today I'm going to be drawing Christain Guzman, and he's a big idol of mine. So guys, go check him out. I'll leave a link down below. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into the video, and I hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be drawing Christain Guzman. But before we get into that, I just got to say Happy New Year to everybody who's watching. Hope you guys had a wonderful time with your friends and family. Alright guys, so for this drawing, I really wanted to try something different. I kind of wanted to do this art style, but also stay true to my type of art style. And so since he's a bodybuilder, I was like, you know, why not? I can exaggerate his proportions. I can make him look really veiny and muscular. And I thought it was just a very fun and interesting way to draw a person or a character for this drawing. So who is Christain Guzman? Christain Guzman is a business and lifestyle vlogger. He also talks, his main thing is fitness. He started in fitness when he was very young, and he became known because of that. Now he has multiple businesses that he runs. He has a gym. And his company is called Athlete Athletics, and you know, he's really started from nothing. Now he has sponsored athletes and a bunch of things. He has a huge company, Athlete Clothing. It's an athletic clothing, but he also has like lifestyle, I guess, essentials, like lifestyle t-shirts. Very nicely, very good quality. You guys should go check them out. I'll leave the link to that in the bottom. I am not sponsored by them by any means, but I think their clothing is amazing. So back to the drawing. I started with the blue pencil just to give the light sketch, just to draw the light sketch like I always do, and then I go over it with the red. And then even when I start using the pen, I still edit. If I don't like something or something big, or maybe it's, you know, it's not what I want it to be, I edit the drawing, and that is totally okay. And I recommend you guys do that, because you're not always going to get it right on the first time, and that's something that I've learned over the years. Sometimes I get frustrated because it doesn't come out the way I want it to, and you just got to keep trying until you guys you know, get it right, or get it the way you guys want it to look. And what I like about Christain is that he's very driven, he's very motivational as well. What he says, he does, and that's something that's very important, I think, in any person's life. He's a very talented individual. And he's actually the reason why I started this YouTube channel. He inspired me to pursue this dream of YouTube. And one day, you know, hopefully I can grow it as big as he has so far. Alright guys, so back to the drawing. Like I said, I really wanted to try something different. And hopefully you guys enjoy it. Let me know your thoughts down below. So for his hair, what I basically did is you know, draw hair, little things. I really left it alone. I didn't do much detail with the pen because I would go over it with color, as you guys will see in a moment. And I really made his muscles pop with all the shading that I do and all the colors that I use. I think it turned out very well. I think it all came together at the end, and you guys will see. But like I said, let me know what your thoughts are down below, and also comment who you guys want me to do next. I do have one more YouTuber drawing that I did, and hopefully you guys enjoy that as well. And I think that's pretty much it for this commentary. Thank you so much for listening to me and for watching this video. You guys are awesome, and hopefully you guys can take something away, whether it's entertainment, knowledge, or whatever it is. Hopefully you guys enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you in the next one.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them. To see the horizon turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. To see the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them. To see the horizon turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, 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 won't you let the light shine through? In the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's
Alright guys, and that is basically it. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button down below. It would really help us out. And as always, comment hey you guys want me to do next. Hey, go check out my other videos. I've drawn Aquaman, Spider-Man, and I think Black Knight from Fortnite. So go check it out, guys. I have the link in the description. You guys can check them out. And that is basically it. Like I said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.